So hey guys, it's Manish and welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get AWS for free and just sign up to the AWS and basically start your own cloud bot or mold bot. So basically what I've done is I've recently created this AWS account, and this is my EC2. I just go to this link and just get started with EC2. But remember guys, this is like free tier for only 6 months. So after that you have to pay. You have to hook up your credit card information, and but basically you have 6 months of free tier. So basically I have done these sections and I'm in a AWS console, and as you can see I have 182 days remaining. So what I have to go and do is I have to go and create an EC2 instance. So for creating an EC2 instance, I have to go over to this all applications and compute an EC2, and after you go to this EC2 instance you have to create a launch instance. So this is you have to create your own instance server. So I'm gonna be saying is Clawdbot, I'm just going to give it as Clawdbot, and I'm gonna be installing a Ubuntu, and I'm gonna be selecting architecture of this, and I have to select a free tier. So just type of free, and you can go and click on any one of the free tier. So basically what I'm gonna be doing is just click on a one of the free tier eligible. As you can see, this architecture is not supported, and this is 1 GB RAM, 8 GB of RAM is also available. So what I'm gonna be doing is basically 1 GB of RAM is not enough for the Clawdbot, I guess. So I'm gonna go with middle of the ground. So I'm gonna be going to the 4 GB RAM, and I'm gonna get selected and just create a new pair and just add it in this Clawdbot and RSA PM, create a pair, and just you can get downloaded. You can download it to this pair. So after that, just you have to create a security group, allow SSS to instance, okay, configure 188 GP3, yep, okay, and advanced details to we have to select anything. So okay, there is nothing more. Just create a launch instance then, and it will create your VPS ready to go. So after that it is successful, and you just go to the instances, and as you can see over here, your instance is running. So just click on the instance and just click on the connect using a public IP, which means that it will host it, launch it in your own VPS server. So you can get establishing connections phase 1 to 2 minutes of that, and you are good to go. So this is a server that you get for free basically. So yeah, absolutely $0. It will cost you $0. So yeah, the first thing that we have to do is the first and very most thing for the Clawdbot is just go to the Clawdbot, and just you can see this one-liner phase of downloads. Just click on this one, and I haven't done anything like update or something like that. I just go and paste this everything stuff like this one, and it will just connect download everything's Clawdbot, everything stuff like that, and it will just take you some little bit of time, 3 to 4 minutes maximum for the setup part. Just we will wait some moments to just get to this stuff, and it is installing a mold bot, which have been changed after the Clawdbot thing, because I guess Clawdbot has some copyright issues, I guess, but I'm not sure. So this is how you can install the mold bot in a real time. It's happening, and it's pretty much easy to go and easy to set it up. So because I have done it 4 to 5 times already, so this is how you set up this thing. Easier way for you if you are non-technical, just copy and paste the commands that is in the description below, and you can just get started with the moldbot/Clawdbot. So it is saying it is setting up the start, and I understand the risk, just quick start, and you can provide any of your keys. So what I'm gonna be providing is one of my favorite module, which is OpenAI, and I'm gonna paste my OpenAI API key, which I will blur it out, but you guys can go over to this section like OpenAI developer, and you can go for this one, API platforms, and you can go over to the dashboard and you can just click on API keys, and you can generate your own API keys from this section, and you will have some uses of this. So basically I have set a budget of $10. I have already up to top up this credit card to $10. So I'm gonna paste my OpenAI API key, which I will blur it out, and it will just go and enter, and I'm gonna be selecting GPT-5 Nano model because it is a bit much more flexible than my GPT-5 stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna be linking this to a WhatsApp, or I can link it to Telegram, or I can link it to any of the stuff. So for your information, I'm gonna be linking this to my WhatsApp number. So firstly, I can just go and click onto this. So you will be needing a WhatsApp, since I'm going to do a WhatsApp. So just go to the WhatsApp section and just hit enter, and it will ask you that is it like this for personal number, or is it for like yourself or something like that, or it is for a separate number. So let's give it a little bit of time. So get ready for your WhatsApp setup. So just go over to your WhatsApp and just click on the link devices and be ready to scan a code. So link WhatsApp now. So yes, I'm gonna link a WhatsApp. So it will go and just give you a prompt to just link a device. So scan your code, like you can allow the cameras and you can just scan the code, and after scanning the code you will get prompted to like WhatsApp pairing successful, something like that. So this is not my personal number, so it is separate phone just for Clawdbot, and I recommend this for only pairing method, because if I allow it for public, then anyone who uses these numbers will get access to this machine, Clawdbot, and everyone can DM and everyone can just use this machine like for ChatGPT stuff or connecting with the Clawdbot. So I'm just going to pairing method. So by default it is onset allow from, but I'm going to just make it set allow to specific numbers, or you can just onset allow. Let's do the onset allow because I have already done the set allow for two specific numbers. Let's do onset allow from specific numbers. I don't want to configure the skills right now because I'm not installing the skip. Skipping that one, but I am going to enable hooks like session memory because it preserves the memories for everything. So it is installing that one, and it, as you can see, it is already installed as link linked to this machine. The last one is how do you want to hatch your bot. So I don't want to hatch it in a external UI stuff because I'm basically using it for a WhatsApp machine. So I will just do it later. Just click on this one and we are done. So basically what you guys are seeing is that the machine that is already connected to the stuff is already running. So as you can see, if I just do Clawdbot TUI, it will basically I guess, okay, it's not a Claude, but now it's like Moltbot TUI or not. Okay, Clawdbot TUI is also not working and Moltbot is also not working. So let me just go and just do a reset to this session. So let's do and connect new session again. It happens sometimes because of the changing of the patching of the stuff over here and there. Okay, let's go and Clawdbot TUI. Yeah, I was saying that the session was messing it up because I was writing the code fine, but it was just giving me an error. So just let me copy this section because I have to get access to this one. So let me just say, please let me connect with my WhatsApp because it's showing me this error. and just paste it, and it will just simply just do its own job. I don't have to do anything. It will just use my number, and it will just use a pairing code, and it will just link it to this section. So it looks like WhatsApp integration is not yet approved. You will need a bot owner to approve the pairing. What you can do now, if you are owner or have admin, run Claude pairing approve WhatsApp meme. So let me just copy this one. Then if there is a management console pairing, if your approval is already given but you still see an error, verify approve gateway and connected webhook URL, confirm the okay, let's just close this one. Then ensure the bot's environment. Okay, we can control the terminal by hitting the Control C, but I guess it's not okay. It's happening. Okay, it's a little bit of like here and there of work to do now. And if I just Clawdbot pairing approve WhatsApp, this one, then it's approved to my number. So what I can do is, like, if asks hi, then the Clawdbot responds to me automatically. Now it should work. So let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, hi there, I can help you with WhatsApp pairing, but it's already doing. So yeah, what would you like to me request? So since it's working right now, so we can just say, where is the best place to visit in Nepal? If I just ask this question, then it will just respond. As I can see, this is like 9 GPT-5 Nano. So Nepal has incredible, yeah, we can just go and yeah. So basically you can just get your access of this stuff like connection of Clawdbot and Moldbot into your WhatsApp integrations, and you can do like this for Discord, Slack, or any of the channel that is available in Moldbot. And it's basically you can configure your own ChatGPT/LLM stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and until that time, have a great day, have a safe day. Peace out.